Hello children, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to tell you how to play the number game. Let's start. Click on the play game button. Now select your number and click on start. Now you need to click and drag the mouse to trace the number. After tracing the number, click on Next. Here you need to fix the counter according to your number. I will click on the counter 2 times as my number is 2. Click on Check. Well done. Next. Now press the hive to add a bee. I will press the hive 2 times. Click on Check. Brilliant. Click on Next. Now what comes after 2? Click on the right number card. Well done. Click on Next. Now you have to find number 2 and click on the number. Take your time. Excellent. Click on Next. Now what comes before 2? Click on the right number card. Excellent. Click on Next. The spelling of 2 is TWO. Well done. You have completed today's number. I hope you will remember this information. Happy learning. Bye bye.